Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope you all are fine and staying safe at your homes. I am your teacher, Ms. Farheen, and we will start our first GK lesson, unit number 1, lesson number 1, myself. This page number 8 in your books is for the teachers and for the parents. Why this page is for the parents and the teachers? Because you will be able to know that when you will finish this lesson, your child will be able to describe themselves briefly. For example, their name and their age, likes, dislikes, games, favorite food, what they want to be in when they grow up. We will not do this part of the SLO. Today we will only cover describe themselves briefly. For example, their name and their age. Today students will be able to give their introduction by telling their names and their age. In this unit, you will learn how to introduce yourself in front of others. You will be able to talk about your good qualities. You will also learn the good qualities of others. But today, we will only focus on the introduction part. That students, by the end of this lesson, students will be able to give their introduction by telling their names and their age. Some kids are giving their introduction in this picture. You can see some kids are sitting here. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ali. I am 6 years old. Okay, this is Ali and he's saying that I am Ali and I am 6 years old. Next, she is Sara. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sara. I am 6 years old. Assalamu alaikum. I am Fahad. I am 6 years old. Assalamu alaikum. I am Usman. I am 6 years old. This is Usman. So all these kids are giving their introduction, and how they are giving their introduction? They are saying Assalamu alaikum. They are telling their names and they are also telling their age. Okay, on page number 14, listening and speaking questions are there. Today we will only cover question number 1 and question number 2. What is your name? Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amna. What is your age? I am 6 years old. Okay, the page number 14, there are listening and speaking questions. On that page, students will be able to answer the questions like what is your name and what is your age. Now I request all the students to please pause the video and open page number 9 in their books. Page number 9. I hope all the students have opened the page. First, refresh your knowledge. Ask few students to come in front of the class and tell their name and age. Now I will call a friend of mine, Muhammad Ahmed. He will come and he will give his introduction. Muhammad Ahmed, please come. Assalamu alaikum, Muhammad Ahmed. I am Ms. Farheen and I am 29 years old. Now I want you to please give your introduction.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed. I am 6 years old.
Thank you so much, Ahmed. You can sit now. I want you all, the teachers and the parents, to please call the students like this and ask their name and their age. Now we will start the reading of the chapter. Introduction. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Fahad. I am 6 years old. I want to play with you. Okay, now if you will look at the picture in your book, you will see that there is a boy, Fahad. He is giving his introduction to these friends. He is saying, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Fahad. I am 6 years old. I want to play with you. Now, what are the friends saying in the answer? Wa alaikum assalam Fahad. My name is Ali. This is Ali and he is meeting with Fahad. He is saying, Wa alaikum assalam Fahad. My name is Ali. My name is Ahmad. This is Ahmad and this is Fahad. They are meeting each other. My name is Usman. This is Usman. He is also shaking hands with Fahad. We all welcome you. We all welcome you. Now all the friends have given their introduction and they have welcomed Fahad. Now there is an activity at the end of the page, if you will look at it. Home activity. Introduce yourself in front of your parents. Ask them to introduce themselves to parents' signature. Okay. Now, as I have done the activity with my guest Muhammad Ahmed, he told his name and he also told his age. Similarly, please make the kids to give their introduction to you in full sentences, and parents, please, you will also give your introduction to your child. By the end of the chapter, you will sign this activity so that the teacher will know that they have done the activity in their books. You can perform this activity in different ways. You can also perform this activity with your siblings. You can perform this activity with your friends. You can also perform it with your cousins on a video call. How you can perform it on a video call? Call your cousin or your friend on a video call and then tell your name and your age. Say Assalamu alaikum first, then your name and then your age. Now I request you all to please open page number 17 in your books. You can pause the video and you can open the book. Page number 17. Writing. Tell about yourself by fill in the blanks and paste the pictures. Today we will only do this sentence and this sentence. All about Farheen. Because my name is Farheen, I am writing my name. I am 29 years old. You will write your age here, okay? And then you can also paste your picture over here. If you do not have your picture, you can draw a picture and color it also, okay? You can pause the video and write your name and your age in these sentences. What have I learned? How to introduce myself in front of others? What is your name? What is your age? By the end of this lesson, you will be able to tell your name and your age. Try to focus that students will answer in full sentences. They will tell their names by saying, my name is this and my age is this. I am dash years old. Okay? Okay, you will focus that students will be able to answer in full sentences. Thank you so much. Please watch this video again and again so that the students will be able to practice these lines quickly. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.